Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Beach Swim Simulator. Last time I made this video, it has the same amount of views as my first video. Like, you guys totally love that video, so I'm thinking why not make another one on it. So I haven't made one in so long. It's just like, you know, school, it's kind of tough. They've made a new update. I've got a few new stuff, so now, like, it's actually quite interesting. So, like, if I go, they have the sun bear, and they have these bean bugs. Yeah. So, can I get it yet? So, it's something new in the shop. Nothing in the shop. Why is it telling me something's in the shop when nothing's in the shop? So I have a few quests. Oh yeah, the new update. So, about the new update, you saw that it showed right on the front. There's this new thing. It's called the Windy Bee. It's so cool, yeah. So, I'm thinking, why not buy it? So I have it. Here it is. I'll read it to you guys. So, it's an event bee. It has 43 energy for level 7. Gathers 13 in 3 seconds for level 7. Everything's in level 7, so. Alright, and then I got 150, converts 150, 1,576. Okay, I'm really bad. And then the speed is 23.82, and the attack is 5, so it's pretty nice. We also got a gifted rage, so it's decent. I've got a few improvements. I'm saving up for, where is it? I just hop over. Okay, I failed. I'm just gonna, what have you brought me, fellow speckles? Ow. Okay, just hurry up, bees, you're taking forever. What goodies have you brought me? Give me all your deliciousness. See, as it says right here, Windy Bee summoned Cloud and Pumpkin Patch. So basically, it's basically like the best sprinkler ever, except it's like way better than a sprinkler. Because it almost doesn't instantly, so like, it's so useful. If you can get to it though, it's kind of hard. Oh, I just missed the tornado. I wonder if I got it. Tornado collects abilities. It collects power-ups. It collects pollen. Does damage to enemies. It's nice, and it looks cool too. Oh, here it is. No, it's too late. I also got the hat instead of the football helmet. So yay. I hate it. I hate when they do quests with the spiders, because like it's just so annoying. Oh yep, there we go. There's the tornado boys. I also got the photon mini. It's nice. There's another cloud, and as you can see, it's showing that the pollen's gone to me. Does damage to enemies. Cool. It's pretty nice. And now I can talk to the sun bee. Say so. Haste is cool and all, but you know what's cool are my kicks. These boots make me move faster permanently. They're pretty expensive, but for a busy bear like me, they pay for themselves. You can find a pair like these up in the shop behind the 25B gate, which I unlocked. But we don't have time for shopping. Those bean bugs are getting into trouble. 6 more quests to go before you get your big paycheck, which is 250 tickets. For now, take some of these field dice. Use one of these to grant 100 plus pollen from a random field for 15 minutes. Yeah, they're pretty awesome. Pretty generous of me, huh? Yeah, you know what? Let's see. You know what? Oh. I get 3 chances. Where's it coming from? Where's the source? Yes, royal jelly. Ah, it's there in there. Isn't there another one? Yep, another one's up there. We'll do Thugman, do some work. So, match 5 pairs series. That's gonna take forever. Oh god, I gotta hurry. Okay, so I want to do that. You know what? Just fire. Let's do it. Oh yes, harvest the goo. Who's useful? This dude's pro. What's his name? Thugman? Yep. Oh, look, see? There it is. And there's a tornado. See, look, it's pretty useful. Yeah, like I said, it's basically an epic sprinkler. See, look, watch. I'm harvesting, I'm harvesting, I'm harvesting. It's like crazy how fast you can do it. What's a focus token? What is a focus token? Oh, it's those things that have the eye. Oh no, we got 2 just jamming like a boss. Oh god, I'm going fast. Brown bear, you need something? Oh well. That's a normal one. 27. Okay, that's pretty easy. What? Oh yeah, so the focus tokens are those green, like, green tokens with the eyeball on it. That's it, I guess. Pineapple field. Okay, that's not that bad. It's getting bigger. Thugman's gonna beat me to it. Just look at his back. It's really going well. Okay, please. Hurry. Don't let them get all goodies. I have a feeling it's gonna come soon. Just please hurry. Okay, now we gotta just do it quickly, please. Okay, alright. Someone else has the one to be. Alright, noob. Why are you guys taking forever? This is ridiculous. How long can you take? Get it. Oh, leave. Was it really that hard? Imagine right now if you had the tornado. You'd be grooving. I don't know if we can pick up items, but it should be. I wish I had. Yes, I'm a pro, you noobs. Get out of my way. Of course, the pro is the one who does it. You guys take forever to do stuff. Right now, I might just do some grinding. I don't know. I might just grind some honey. I'm trying to save up for the 12 million bag, like I said. Over there. So let's see. So I need to get 2 things from the pumpkin. Yeah. Oh, not the pumpkin, but That's exactly where I would put my sprinkler. Anyway. Let's cook a mantis. Kill me. You can. Zombie Pro. Look at this, boss. I can jump over your head. Haha. I'm juking you. Oh my god. Look how fast. No, the tornado. Why do I keep missing the tornado? Am I right? Yep, that's a focus token. I'm missing all my power-ups. Oh well. I wonder if other players can see the rain cloud. Oh yes, do this. We're totally grooving here. Making business. It's kind of slow though, but it works out. Right? Don't leave me. Got 100,000. I repeat, we've got 100,000. Should probably lower my volume. It's kind of loud. Just, yeah, I was watching my video. Put it up to like 8. Oh yes, do this. Oh yeah. Tornado, yes! I love you. Thank you. See, look, the tornado looks like that. It's pretty nice. And we're almost done, boys. Almost done. Just there. Nearly. Just so close. It's gonna get us here. There we go. Harvest the rest. Alright, I'm not here. I'll take this part. Ant arrival. I might play the ant challenge for a few more mementos. Might just end our video there. Please hurry up. Just look at my beauty hat. I'll just do the ant arrival. It's gonna be so boring. Please hurry up. That over there. Wait, let me get rid of this one. What is that? Let me check. That is glitter or something? Let me check this. I don't know what this is. I have no clue what that is. Oh, well, it's really confusing. Let's put an ant challenge. As you can see, I've got the I've got the gold ant amulet. It's pretty useful. So we unlock ant amulet. We had a 67 plus conversion rate, 2 plus player movement speed, 14 plus white pollen, and plus 11% red pollen. Why does the glass look so different? It just looks interesting. Excuse me. Wait, you can buy stingers now? Yeah. Wait, this is crazy. 1,000 tickets? How much does it cost for 1,000 tickets? Roughly 300. About 340. I mean, 3,400. Dang. I really want the vicious speed. I'll have an awesome grip. This is how I can get to the gummy bee. Oops. I love the music for the gummy bee. It sounds nice. Just, instead of taking long, like listen. Sounds cool. Alright, let's just do the end challenge. Let's go, my dudes. While I farm you guys, oh yes, do some damage, boys. We're already on round 2. Wonder if we're almost done with the challenge. The tornado is so useful. Until it's gone, of course. Yeesh, look how... Oh, whoa, okay, never mind. I forgot how good I am now, it's hard to remember. The last stand, boys, come on. Just kill it. I wonder if I can do damage to, like, enemies. Please do it here. Alright, good. Went to the dandelion. Good luck, noobs. Noobs who go to the dandelion. Oh, jeez. Can I do damage to it? Okay, no. Okay, capable, definitely. I'm gonna play it again. That was kind of sad. For you guys, for the sake of this video, I'll play one more. Where's my ants? Oh, they're recovering. Uh-oh. Can you do damage? Oh my god, you can. Whoa. Ah, there we go. Oh, that's useful. Whoa. Hop around like a boss. Yeah. Yeah! It sounds so cute when the HP does his stuff. It's like, yeah! Oh, jeez. I'm about to die. Okay, this is embarrassing. Alright, this is the last time that I'm done. I'll wait for you guys to heal. Heal up, boys. I literally only have like a few bluebies. I think I only have 2. So I have the... where is it? Actually, no, I only have 1. The Ninja Bee. It's the only blue one I have. It's a blue legendary. As you can see, I'm grooving with awesome stuff. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 demon bees. Okay, not to brag or anything, but just saying, that's kind of crazy. Yes. You can do damage. Okay, no, you can't. Never mind. If you guys actually listen to that, I'm so sorry. I might get some commander bees just for my quest. I'll get rid of it. Jeez, please. I hate it when the ants just pop out. Oh. Wee, just hop around like a boss. Please kill them. Thank you. Photon bee, give me your power up. Oh yes. Never mind. Tornado, I love you. Just so, yeah, it does 29 damage. Maybe even more. No, it's just ridiculous. Just kill the ant. Oh, it does like 20 damage. Oh, jeez. Okay. No, I need this for the quest. Alright, I'm back to a panda. Extra high now. Kill that one last time. Alright, Photon Bee, give me your goodies. Power-ups, goodies. Power-ups. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Nice. Oh, jeez. Oh god, there's a lot. Ooh, I hate the fire. They're so annoying. Almost there. Don't tell me the lawnmowers are here yet. No, they're not. Oh god. We're doing some serious damage now. Actually, I'm basically dead. It was nice knowing y'all, folks. Hopefully this isn't my last video. I'm not gonna miss this. Oh god, lawnmowers, right? I got the power up, right? Please tell me. Okay, I did. Keep. Oh dear. Oh, well. We're grooving now. See, I have 163 because I bought a pack for 800 Robux. I spent 2,000 Robux total on the Windy Bee, Photon Bee, and a pack that come with 100 of the stingers. Yeah, I'll show you guys what a coconut does. I'm just gonna get to my good area. So I collect a bunch of Oh, there's two just next to each other. That's ridiculous. Just watch. So you drop a coconut and boom, it collects you pollen, I guess. Oh, alright, for the sake of this video, let's go, guys. Oh god, I don't think I might have a lot of help, but yeah. Oh, come on. Yes, tornado! Oh, get the vicious. Yes, tornado! Vicious bee! Die! Die, die, die. Oh god, this is... Oh my god, that's a lot of help. We're done for. There's no hope. We're done for. There's so much help. Ow. And it just 34 damage. That's ridiculous. Someone else has the one to beat. You can tell. Yeah, I see. Ow, Come on, just keep attacking the vicious bee. Don't come without me. Alright, bees, I'm waiting. I really don't want it. Is Thugman? Yeah, Thugman's over there too. Everyone's fighting. Anyone that can go there. Come on, bees. Up, let's go, boys. Whee! Right. Stay focused this time. Oh god. I'll stand up here. I'm safe. Okay. I'm doing damage, right? Where's my bees? There we go. Oh god. Okay, I'm not safe. Let's go. Whoa! That's kind of freaky. Come on, get the vicious. Oh jeez. Just stand right under it. So funny. It goes like, hiya! Oh jeez. Oh god, yep, there's Thugman. Come on, Thugman. Don't fail us. Oh, unless it's getting killed. Just kill it. Oh jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, next hit, I'm so dead right now. Alright, sorta can't. Alright, I got it. Yes. Yes. Oh, I got 8 stingers and some honey. Yay. I have 8 million, just 4 million to go, and I get a backpack that has 100,000 more space. Because this one carries 250,000. This one, it also comes with boost. Boost. I don't know how you say it, you guys know. So this one comes with boost. See. And then it's 350, so it's 100,000 more. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Peace.